We're going to play around with tab stops today. So open up Microsoft Word, type in name, surname, height, email, just like that. Okay. Two things we need to do. Number one is we need to switch on our show and hide formatting. So if you're on the home tab here, you go to the little icon, the symbol that looks like that, switch it on. And I'll show you why we're going to do this in a minute, because you're going to need to see what we're doing. Okay. So I've got that switched on now. And the next thing is we need the ruler. If you do not see a ruler, and you can see I don't have a ruler, go to view and click on ruler. There it is there. Okay, view and ruler. Right, tabs or tab stops allow us to space our text where we want it to be, where we want it to appear. Let's be appearing. And we're going to see what kind of tab stops we have. We have a left aligned tab stop, and we're going to use that first. On the left hand side here, you see it's got this this little L. There it is over there, the L. Alright, so I'm going to go to 1 centimeter on my ruler, and I'm going to click just underneath the 1, and you'll see I have a left aligned tab stop there. Let's see what that does. So I go to the start of my row and I press the tab key once. You'll see the arrow. That means that I've pressed tab, and it's jumped to that first tab stop at left, and it's aligned it from the N. It's left aligned. Okay. The next one is going to be another left aligned tab stop. Let's do that at 4 centimeters. So let's go to S for surname, press tab again, it jumps through to S for surname, 4 centimeters. Good. Height, I don't know why I chose height, I just did. Okay, deal with it. So we're going to use a decimal tab stop. It's like a centered tab stop, but with decimals. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I click once over there, you'll see there's a centered aligned tab stop there. I click again, there's a right aligned tab stop there, and I click again, there is my centered one. Okay, it looks like a centered one, but it's got a decimal. That's the one I want, and let's do that at 9 centimeters. And watch, go to height, press it, right, good. Just don't worry, it's there. Email is going to be a right aligned decimal tab, so everything's going to be aligned to the right hand side. Okay, so let's go and find that right aligned tab stop. So you click and you keep clicking and you keep clicking. There it is there. That's my right tab over there. Good. And let's put that at 15 centimeters. Go to email, press tab, done. Now let's see what that actually looks like when we fill in some information. Go to internet. I'm going to switch this off for the moment by show and hide formatting. Switch that off for the moment. Press tab, and let's type in Marco Polo, and he is 1,75. It's not me, meters tall. Or is it 1.75? 1.75. There we go. And let's give him a cool email address. Marco Polo at findme.com. How's that? Now, do you notice how the alignment works? Right, left aligned, centered with a decimal, and I'll show you why. Because when we go into a new row, I'm just going to hop around there, and we have another person, 1.66, which is how tall I am. Or is that how short I am? And do you notice how the decimals line up? That's what that's for. Okay, so guys, you're going to have an activity now where you have to use your tab stops and the different kinds of tab stops and align things exactly the way they're meant to be aligned. All right, I will give that to you now.